around you. So if I stand in front of this lectern, you can see me, of course. If I had this cloak, if it were perfect and did its job, the light that came off there and would hit the wood of the lectern, it would be guided around me, brought back together and carry on, just as if I weren't there. That is what a cloak will do. And if you do it right, it makes me invisible. The light waves travel around me perfectly, they don't interact with me at all, and they carry on as if I weren't here. In fact, you can put anything in there, not just me, anything you like. And some of the people in the department where I work started getting interested in this, and to do it you need a material that will bend light in this complicated path, which is to say refract light. We know that anything bends, glass will bend light, we know that's how you make a lens. But to do this, you need something where you have a lot of control over the way the material is refracted.
Are you leaving? No.
And it started off just as a piece of mathematics. People ask themselves this completely abstract question: is it possible, within the rules of mathematics, to make such a structure